Right guys, so welcome back to another video of TTrockstars, and I will show you where I am in my class, because I have moved up. So, I am 1.16, and so the person below me, it says I'm first because I've made a bigger improvement. So in the last video we did do all studios. Sorry about that, I wasn't talking. But this video we're not going to do any studios because I don't want to make my score worse. So we're going to start off with garage, as you can see. If you don't play this guy, you should go on it. It's like when you're bored you go on it. And after this, I'll let you into the little secret after this game. Something that I want to happen is happening, because I need them. So, sorry if I'm not talking now, it's just because I'm concentrating for some reason, because I want to get bored. So, I'll just talk with you now. And because I've not talked in a while with you guys, because I promised at the end I would talk, but didn't have any time in the last video. So, this video I talk to you. Nothing to really say at the minute. Right. I hope you guys are having a good day though. And just comment down below what your speed is as well. Yeah. That's all I say at the minute. So, finish this game and then I'll start. Then I'll tell you what's going to happen in a few, well, Wednesday. Something's going to happen, well, Tuesday, Wednesday, something's going to happen, and it wanted it to happen, and I need them as well. And get them all correct. So, guys, what I'm doing, because I keep getting headaches around there, yeah. Twice a week. I had to go to Specsavers today in town, and they said they have to have glasses. I wanted them. Yeah, wanted them. And so we might be getting them Tuesday or Wednesday, because they're not got any in. Well, they have got some in, but not all of them. I've already picked one pair. We just need to pick another pair, because we get two pairs. And in my videos I'll be wearing them. I'll be wearing them every video, till I don't need them anymore. So guys, that's what I wanted to tell you. One sec. That's me. Sorry guys about that. So I'm gonna have to have glasses, because I keep getting headaches in school in the afternoon just from looking at work. Because when I'm writing and looking at stuff, it's hard to read for me. So I'm gonna have to get glasses. I want them, but it might not be good for you. You might not want me to have them, but I have to. Well, I had a choice to not go on it as long, or I could get glasses. I chose glasses because then I can film for you guys. I don't want to make you unhappy and not film for you. Anyway, I think glasses will be better, so yeah. Let's talk about something else now. Yeah, what place do you think I'm gonna go? 2, 40, 12, 24, 48, 30, 30. in the last video, I can't remember, it was TTrockstars, I think. Or it was, yeah, last video it was TTrockstars. Video before it was Roblox. I'm not that good at Roblox, okay? So I might just have to sit with TTrockstars. And then, I think I came third for something like that, guys, just then. So, I came fourth, guys. 1.20. Not that good. Well, it is good, but not that good. 0.69. That's really good. So, I changed my character. I'll show you it, because it looks a lot cooler. So there it is. I move you guys down there. So there's my character. I've got blue star background. My guitar is a candy floss. What is it? That eagle thing, whatever it is. That there. Well, I can't point to it, but that eagle thing, it's on foregrounds. Phonics. Or phonics, can't remember. Then my shorts that kick it. Music, background thing, accessories, I think it's on. Yeah, yeah, me. What? I'll just see these headphones. If I write them. Guys, comment down below if you like headphones better, or if you like amp. I like amp better. That's that. Shades are the stars. Yeah. This video isn't going to be as long. It's only going to be about 10 minutes long because I want to go and do something. So probably about 2 more games. 3, 2. Probably I'll have 3 more games, and then probably in the video there. And guys, comment below if you've got glasses. I used to work for reading when I am writing in my book, not looking at boards, but looking at screens. I have to do everything except from looking at boards, basically. Don't have to wear them permanently, so that's good. Seeing is fine, it's just looking gives me a headache, that like close up, really annoying. Do not, in fact, four. I will just play one more game. So guys, I hope you're enjoying the video so far. I hope you all are having a brilliant day, and we will do the outro after this. I've not made up an outro, so I might have to actually make one up and do the same every time. Tell me if I'm doing the same outro every time. I don't think I actually am. In these videos I'm not talking a lot because I've got like a headache now, so that's why I'm going off in a minute. Sadly I do have to get my glasses in. Yeah, like I said, Tuesday or Wednesday. Really annoying. I've got a headache right now. So I'm going to have to go with my computer in a minute. Comment below if you can do this. Wait, I need to move your button. Comment below if you can do. My neck is high up. Oh, it's not very good. Right, I want to just see if you can get a giraffe. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Comment down below what your game speed is, and if you're beating my game speed, remember mine's 1.16. Comment what place you are in your class. And I hope you have a fantastic day. I will see you guys another day. Peace out.